Okay, so we got another transistor there. As I said, it's got 1L marking on it, and we got a screen attached as well, so maybe you can't see, but I can see. We got a screen, and we're gonna trace this. So basically plus 12 volt is coming, you can see it here, first divider here, plus 12, and on the base, see, now we got 0.67, you see, now we got 10 millivolts basically here, shorted. So basically it's this base and this transistor 0.69. So basically 0.69 here, 0, almost 0 here. You see, if here we got 0.67, so that's the only difference. And therefore on the collector you see you got 0.07, 70 milliamps. So basically this base is not active, 0.07 against the ground, it's doing nothing with transistor, it's not gonna open the transistor, and we got our power good signal here. It's connected to this transistor as well. This set of transistors is doing the same, they got just swap 3.3 and 12 to just make sure that all voltages are present to give you power good signal. And yeah, we got a screen, so obviously you're gonna have core voltage 0.94. One important thing is when you measure like this, you see I got the fans from the bottom, so I unplugged the fans just to avoid the damage. At 1.5 you see this is 1.97, I think that's some display rail or something like that. And somewhere here should be 1.8, not 1.8. Yeah, you see these capacitors got 1.8. Yeah, it's getting a little bit hot. See, this is 0. Yeah, this is a display rail, I guess. You can have 1.8 somewhere else as well. The BIOS chip 3.3. It's older graphics card, maybe because AMD as well. So BIOS chip is 3.3. It's easy to, basically you can use this CH349 program where you can read straight away the BIOS. If you're concerned, maybe it is BIOS. You just let me see some more voltages here. In the future, maybe if we have that card, we can check all these voltages before we will assume that the GPU is not connected properly. So the 1. Yeah, these are memory 1.5. It's always wondering about these resistors. The voltages are on these resistors, 1 volt. And these two are connected, I guess. Yeah, 1.02, 1.02, 1.5. 90 milliamps. 1.5, maybe I can do it this way. This should be ground. And then both sides needs to be grounded. This capacitor 1.5, 1.5. You get this AMD card, you can't run basically mods or any software which will show you which memory is bad. But if you measure these voltages on these resistors, that can probably show you that can show you. You need to go through all of them, and then it can show you probably faulty chip. So you can try. See, you should have some 1.05 volts. It is not from power supply, and it should be 0.5. If the chip is faulty, maybe. Oh, you see, I just shorted these two resistors, and I got artifacts. You can't see them, but I can see them. So I'm turning off this thing. So I shorted two resistors. I got artifacts. Looks like I got some wrong signal from the memory, so probably card is dead now. We'll see. At least you can be more careful. Maybe I'm lucky. Maybe I damaged card. It looks good. I don't have artifacts anymore. I didn't show you, but yeah. So, but I shorted two resistors. You can see it in the video. I can't go back now. So this is 1.5, and I probably shorted somewhere here. Yeah, let's try this one. This is 1.26, 1.26, and 1.5, 1.5. No, let's see. Maybe this card. Maybe I damage it. I'm not sure which two I connected. I should go. Yeah, I should go through that video and check it again. Where was I? Probably somewhere here. So you got 1.2, 1.2, and those are maybe connected, maybe. And they both connected to 1.5. And we'll check which two I shorted. Probably these two. Both of them are 1.2. Worst will be this. This is ground probably. This is 1.5. So if I shorted those two, I'm glad to see. But yeah. Okay. So we did this there, and this is like mirrored, so it's just for different chip. Yeah, this will be for different chip. It's both. Yeah, these both should have. Yeah, but if you got a dead card, and it can be memory problem, you can try this. You can try these voltages, which are 1 volt. So they are somehow connected to memory chip. Yeah, this one, 1.05. They are somehow connected to memory chip. So you can try those there, but I wanted to measure more things here. This is 3.3, I guess. It's gonna be 3.3. Just briefly measure these things for future. What is the good thing? 6.4. Interesting. 12. 6.4. 0. 0. 6.4. 6.4 and 0 from both sides. Yeah, this was 3.3. 3.3. This all has sign like Q, so I'm not sure if these are transistors or drop down regulator.